What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. I want to give a huge shout out to Truckaholics. Make sure you guys go follow them on Instagram. They got pizza all in my face because I've been drinking and I'm hungry. And we're gonna have a good ass night tonight. So you guys need to stay tuned because we're gonna have a lot of fun tonight, aren't we? Oh yeah. We're gonna have a lot of fun tonight. Stay tuned, enjoy the video, grab some pizza because I'm definitely gonna grab some. And I really hope I don't get this amazing pizza on this nice clean shirt brought to you guys by Truckaholics. Hell yeah. Clay's tired, what's up?
What's up, buddy?
Clay said he's tired, he's being lame. You need a shot, Clay?
Huh?
You need a shot?
I need something.
I have some tequila, Clay.
I need something.
Shot! Pulled up to the gas station before the truck meet, ripped a fat chocolate milk right before we headed out that way. And I'm actually using my Yeti cooler for once in my life. Got some drinks in there. A lot of you are gonna be like, well, why are you using a Yeti cooler and you're not drinking beer, blah, blah, blah. I don't drink beer. I like liquor, that's it. If y'all drink beer, then... No!
If you're whipping out the Yeti, you gotta put some beer in it.
No!
You got to, son. Come on.
Y'all don't know, I don't drink beer. I don't like sodas, I don't like anything carbonated.
We had 72 beers in a Yeti. And that shit was all gone in the weekend.
I mean, if you're on the lake, you gotta drink beer. At least have some beer with you.
Michelob, Natty, what else? Bud Light.
Hey, you can still shotgun a chocolate milk. That's all I'm saying. Are we gonna go to the meet? We're going to the meet?
Yeah, I think so.
Hell yeah. You got anything you wanna say? You wanna say anything?
I wish that y'all would have showed up.
We're making some money tonight. I brought the shoes.
Yes, sir.
My boy brought the shoes. What is it? What you got?
We got that.
Yes, sir.
That chocolate motherfucker.
Yes, sir. What you got over here?
Some ones? Talking about ones tonight? Ones?
Okay.
Making some money?
You got some
Okay.
I'll show you a 5.
Come over here. So we just pulled up to the truck meet. I almost dropped and completely destroyed my phone. Look. It's doing a burnout.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, have the cops
Watch out! Go burn out!
Have the cops not bothered y'all yet?
No. Oh, you missed it earlier.
There's a car behind you.
Yeah, Wyatt. Oh my God. I'm putting my blinker on. Earlier we had that shopping cart in front of the train.
There's a car coming. What are you doing? Look at the cops.
Wyatt, there's
the cops over there.
Get out of the road.
Hey, I like that hat though.
Oh, no.
How wide is that thing? Look at that stance though.
Yup.
That stance. Ooh. What's going on, guys?
That's our thing. Oh, okay.
I don't want them anymore.
How much was he?
Free, you can take
No, but how much was he in the store? I'm gonna resale value.
Oh, that's like racist.
Alright, so I'll 20 on eBay.
Yeah, he's
20 on eBay, let's go. In the truck you go. Turn it really sharp. I guess I'm a YouTuber now.
Hey, we're coming to see your truck. Okay. I don't know where they found this.
We found it over at the entrance.
Shitting on them. Shitting on them.
Do a tug of war.
Oh, you want to do a tug of war?
Yes. Yes. I want to do a tug of war. We can't do it here though. We can't do it here. We can't do it here. The cops will come immediately.
This first person? I swear to God.
Cops will come immediately. Who the fuck is calling me?
Dude, we gotta do it.
Hello?
Even if we do it like just for a second.
Sorry, hello?
Let me know if you guys want to see a tug of war. The shopping cart versus the Duramax. I think that needs to happen. Hey! What's up? I missed you. How you doing? Hey, we need to take a look at his truck. Hold on, we need to back up a little bit. All right. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Look at this. You're my shot. You're my shot. Oh my goodness. Oh! Look at this beautiful, beautiful truck. We're gonna go around to the other side. Oh. All right. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. Ow! Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on, wait. We don't care about whistling diesel. It's all about whistling LB7. Got it right that time. I don't know my diesels. I'm a gas guy. You guys know that. Tell me about this beautiful truck. We got some 26x14s.
Tufts.
We got some
TB4s.
The Furies.
the Furies 35 1550s. I got them Fox Reservoirs.
These Tufts must be new.
Those are the.
I was new to the truck, but they're the new Tough wheels.
They're the newest ones.
They look good.
I need some wheel lights.
They look good. And then we got some. What kind of lift kit?
In there.
What kind of lift kit did we go with?
Well, I got the 6-inch Pro Comp.
Okay.
3-inch keys on top of that.
And then we got the Fox Reservoir shocks. That's always a mouthful for me. Wrapped. Ooh. Wrapped that white sparkle. Yeah. I like that. I like that white sparkle. We got the Boost Auto Parts mirrors, clear headlights, color match bumpers, front and back. Wrapped emblem up front with the white sparkle. It looks good. It looks good though. It looks good though. Let's see. Let's see. What else? Bullet antenna. Anything else that you done to it?
Well, I painted the frame, dog.
Painted the frame too?
It was brown.
Ooh.
I got 18 rock lights in here.
Ooh, 18 rock lights, painted frame. My boy is shitting on them now. Shitting on them. We gotta go see the 10-inch tip. Is somebody right here?
It's okay.
With the 10-inch tip. Oh man.
Got the color match bumpers.
Girls like a big tip.
Look at that color match bumper. The color match receiver hitch.
Air ride in the rear?
Oh, it's got a little air in it.
Damn, okay.
Got that color match bumper.
Color match bumper.
Hitch.
Beautiful. Oh man. You know, it's the little details that make it look amazing. For real though, y'all go follow my man on Instagram, Whistling LB7. This truck turned out freaking amazing.
Appreciate it.
I love it.
Done yet.
I'm so yeah. Just like Merc says, we're never satisfied. We're always doing something.
Solid axle swap in front.
Ooh.
Full air ride, and then 800 horsepower.
Yes, sir. I can't wait to see that. Right now, stop watching this video right now. Go subscribe to Black.
Truck the frame out from under my truck. There we go. Come on, you come on, you want to keep this? Hold it. It's all about traction. It's not about power, it's about traction. I got traction. I'm in boots, I got no traction. No. Harrison, get off and push.
Ain't winning no money tonight.
No money. All right.
That's easy money.
Me and Clay locked in. Wait. Who's racing? Whoa. Who's racing?
Me and him are racing real quick.
Okay. Drop the hat. All right.
I got a flashlight. Anybody want a flashlight?
When the hat hits the ground.
You're not the bitch, you fucking fool. Justin, go, big boy.
He's riding, baby.
Caught the dub?
Well, nobody was betting on that. That was a dry run. And me and Clay, we got $1 on it. I got $1 on this one.
Fuck no, I'll get my ass kicked.
Oh, damn, I want to lose $1. Let's go, baby. Fuck.
Hey, first one and done, baby.
Hey, I don't have any more. God damn it. All right. That's if you kick his fucking ass. You better get it, boy. Hey, he went on. Oh, shit. Let's go.
I should have clapped.
Alex, let me clap you real quick.
I am not racing tonight.
I'll put $1 on it, Alex.
So lame.
Hey, did we go? Did they go?
I would beat you. Alex, come on.
Why aren't you racing, man? Come on.
I got loose, man.
Bro, you're not good.
He doesn't want to catch the smoke.
This is what I have to say.
Come on now. Come on. All right. Pre-game interview. Come on.
I just want to go out there, perform well. We practiced all week. We had a great off season.
No prep talk. We just got to get right to it.
We had a great off season, great work week. We went to practice every single day and wanted to get better and better. It was a great team effort. Special teams is doing great. Offense is going to be our weak point. They've got a great offense, but I think defense is going to pull it through this week. So we're going to go out there as a team effort and
Get the spread.
Hopefully get the W today.
Alex don't want to run.
Thank you. No more questions.
He don't want to run. He don't want to smoke.
Thank you. No more questions.
I'm lining up with this one. I got you.
Wait, y'all go.
I'm gonna say fuck it. I'm gonna.
No. Hold on, we going on the hat or what?
Hat? Damn. What the fuck? Ready? Ready? Hold it! There you go. Yes, sir.
Alex is slow as shit.
That was supposed to. You would have been.
Say
Alex
what?
is slow as shit.
Watch out, y'all.
Content, come on, let's go.
Let's get this bread. Oh, hold on. Y'all go subscribe to my boy at Popping Clutches. Y'all have a great night. I'll see y'all next time. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.